powerful habits para sa totoong happiness. Pagod ka na bang malungkot? Abangan mo ang habit number 10 sa dulo. Ito ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Habit number 1, maglista ng 3 hanggang 10 bagay na ikakapagpasalamat mo. Kahit maliit, malaki man, it all counts. Start with gratitude. Habit number 2, bawal ang sedentary lifestyle. Mag-exercise na kahit 15 minutes. Nakaka-good vibes at healthy body at nakaka-baby face.
Nice!
Habit number 3, you are what you eat. Kung healthy ang kinakain mo, healthy ka din sa body at mind mo. Habit number 4, matulog ng 7 to 8 hours a day. Kapag well-rested ka kasi, mas energized, mas happy, at mas productive ang araw mo. Habit number 5, huminga ng malalim. Mag-pause at maging present. Mindfulness helps reduce stress, clears the mind, and improves self-awareness. Habit number 6, learn to say no. Protect your energy at i-prioritize mo ang mga personal growth. Habit number 7, mag-aral ng bagong skill or hobby. Growth is happiness. Kaya patuloy na mag-explore at mag-improve. Habit number 8, clean space, your mind. Mas organize ang paligid, mas organize ang pag-iisip. Declutter your space. Habit number 9, mas madalas tumawa. Mas happy ang life. Laughter is the best medicine. It reduces stress at nagpapalakas ito ng mood map. Habit number 10, prayer and daily devotion. Strengthen your faith, find peace, and align your decisions with God's will. Mulan mo na kahit isang habit lang today. Happiness starts with you.